What's up guys, coming at you again, the Rogue Vet, with another video today. Now I'm going to try to do a POV in this one, and I got a couple small things that I ordered online that I'll show y'all in the video, but stay tuned, we'll get into it in just a second. Alright guys. Alright guys, let's see how this goes. First time driving this. I'm trying to get used to it, but let's see how it goes. Maybe better than what I think, but we'll see. Little scrape here or there, but nothing bad. Ooh, this car's filthy. I might have to just wash it off just to see how get all that dust off from the west that we got in. Man, that is terrible. Oh, well guys, it's your boy again, the Rogue Vet, back at you with another video. Now, like I said, I'm trying this out. Just got the GoPro not that long ago. I haven't really had a chance to really film with it. I did in the last video with the snow, but that was just a quick, you know, just snow video. But I really want to start making a lot more POVs and stuff like that with the car. So we'll see how this goes. It may or may not. I may have to make some adjustments with it, but oh look, there's a nice little Challenger there. Here. Okay guys, so what we'll do, pretty much what I wanted to make this video about today, so just to test drive the, you know, POV while I'm driving. But cool thing about this car is, well, not really cool thing about this car, but an addition that you can do to this car. Now, this shift knob right here, I'll put a picture in a second here that pops up how it looked like before. It's got like the same type of, I guess, brushed aluminum look on the top. I don't really like that. I mean, it looks cool and all, but this is gonna be going away too. I'm getting a bunch of carbon fiber trim pieces to take out all the brushed aluminum look. So it looked like this on top. Now, I'll put a link in the description where I found this, so in case of those of you who have a 2014, they had the brushed aluminum look, and the 2015 is and above. Remember, the transmission changed, so you have the 8-speed automatic instead of the 6-speed, and they didn't have a little knob cover on it, I guess. The 15s and up have, it says 8-speed and has a little gray type, you know, finish on it, which looks a lot better. But I found this online, and it's just a little black, gloss black piece cover that goes on. There's 3M tape on the back. Just peel it off, slap that sucker right on there, hold it down tight for a few minutes, and then, you know, you're good to go as far as looks and feel. I mean, it's on there pretty good, and I like this 10,000 times better than the brushed aluminum look. Don't get me wrong, it looks good, but I'd rather have carbon fiber everywhere in this, and this just looks a whole lot better in my opinion, if you ask me, but that's just me. So I like the black look for it. Here is, and I dropped it. All right guys, so here it is right here. This is the key fob. Okay, now I've already dropped it once or twice, maybe 3 times since I've had it, and it's got little nicks on it here or there, but I don't want that to happen anymore because I'm clumsy at times. Now, I'll put a link in the description as well, but I bought this on Amazon here. It's a carbon fiber weave cover that you can put on this to protect it. Now, this is going to be pretty good, obviously, for protection. So let's go ahead and get that on. Let's see, there's the key. All right, just goes on like so. Back end clip. Hear it click. Like so. So it's in. As you can see, here it is. We'll go ahead and put the rest of the keys back on. And voila, there we go. As you can see, I hope y'all can see it in there. There's the finished product there. I think that'll do real nicely protecting this. But there it is. And I'll put the link in the description, guys, so that way y'all know where you can find this if y'all have one and y'all want to protect. All right, guys, well, I'm about to head back, but here's just a quick walk around of the car. And like I said, I'm gonna do an actual walk around video going over a bunch of different stuff that's on the car, basically, because it's pretty much all stock. Man, this car is so dirty with that dust. Jesus Lord. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just run this sucker through the wash, because we're gonna need to get that dust off. That's terrible. That is absolutely terrible. Wow. Anyway, guys, I guess I got sidetracked. I was just sorry. I was looking how bad that dust is on there. Man, but yeah, guys, anyway, let's go ahead. Let's take off and let's go back home. Oh, and look who parked by me. Y'all see it here in a second. This nice Subaru STI. Man, that thing looks sick. Look at that. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna have to get a quick little video of this. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Just them two together, side by side. I mean, look at that. That looks pretty cool. It's nice. It's a nice STI. It's pretty clean. Let's go, guys. All right, you know I gotta send it for y'all. I don't know if I can make that. I guess I did. Okay. I guess I can make it. Well, I was kind of skeptical doing that at first, but I did it.